Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VSTM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis in the past. That's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And, they definitely pertain to the chart, but I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line. Yeah, it pertains, but not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have lines all over the place and risk causing clutter and confusion. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So perhaps some of you watched the last video and remember me talking about 435 as resistance. This would now be considered an area of support. Short-term wise, though, or what I would call the ideal level of support, I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can continue to hold up above $4.80, that would be a very large sign of strength. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 480, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above 480, that would certainly be a good sign of power, in the right direction. For those of you that care about the true broad scheme of things, the big picture, then, the simplistic way to look at that and continue to gauge the health or lack thereof revolves around the purple line right there, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. And again, from a very cut and dry approach, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the purple line itself moves itself upwards, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, seems to be a short-term level right there around $5.15. And then the next level after that is just where the party stopped today on the gap up, right up around $5.55. So all in all, though, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, which it's been doing, so within the grand scheme of things, just keep on building those higher bases. The long-term chart will continue to take care of itself. So still a couple days left this week. We'll see what the bulls can do with it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.